everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I wanted to come on here really quickly and just show you a tiny haul, and I typically don't do hauls, but I was really excited about this one, so I thought I would share it with you. And my haul comes from my little crafty shop, and there is her information. There is her website, mylittlecraftyshop.com. And guys, you know, we need to support each other, help each other out in any way that we can. And I encourage you to go look at her shop, and even if it's just to look, you don't know, there might be something in there that that you want to pick up. So I try to support all small businesses. So I got two dies, and let me see what the names of these are. So the very first one that I got is the dangle tabs. Oh my gosh, these are so cool, guys. When I saw these, I think I saw them, I may have seen them in a video, but anyway, so I got the dangle tabs, and these are so cool. I fell in love with them, and I have already used them in a couple of projects. So very nice. You get 3 designs. Each design comes in 2 different sizes, and quite honestly, I believe I used the medium and the small are the 2 sizes that I used. And then the next one that I got was the side heart tag. So this one, you can make it into a shaker, or you can just leave it like that. You can just leave the back intact. Anyway, so I bought this tag because I thought it was really adorable. So I got these 2 items, but let me show you what I have used these 2 for. The first one that I used, or that I cut out, was the dangle tabs. So I did use them for a couple of projects, but let me just show you what I did. So I cut out 4 different colors in the tabs. That way I don't have to cut them out every single time I'm going to use one. And I cut them out, and I just put all the colors, I just left them in there. I didn't separate the sizes, but I cut some glitter ones, and this one still has, I just cut them and threw them in here. I didn't even poke anything out, but there you go. All right. And of course, again, they have just, this one is just the circle. They have the circle, they have a heart, and the stars. And then I cut it out in 110-pound cardstock, and this one is for the heart. And then I cut out the red. I cut out the stars, or I mean all of them, right? But I cut them out in red, and then I cut them out in pink. Okay, and this one's the tiny one. And it just makes it quicker if I want to put a dangle on something, and typically I don't, because it's kind of hard to put into it takes work. For me, it takes work to put into a bow or something like that. And then of course your layering piece is in here as well. Let me see if I can, what is that, the star. So if you layer this on top of your actual tab, it becomes really sturdy here, guys. Okay, it becomes really sturdy and strong. Not that we, are going to put a really heavy dangle on anything, but this just makes it so much easier just to glue it on there and put your, dangle on there. So that was the first one that I cut out. So that's what I did with that. I always have a dangle tab to hang something on, but at least I know these are ready to go. Okay, so that's what I did with this one. And then with the side heart tag, I made a tag. So here is my tag, and I just think it turned out so adorable. And I'm trying to be careful with it because I just finished it, and part of this is still a little wet. Okay, so on the tag, I cut out the base piece, and then I cut the base piece again in pink, in this foil hot pink, and then I just cut off the stitching line to make a layer for it. And this is the heart that cuts out, and as you can see, I used the bottom layering piece, and then of course the top one for the shaker part, and then I used this one to cut my acetate, and then of course the little ring there. So this is how my tag came out. I used a little envelope die that I had in my stash, popped that up on some dimension, and these are flowers that will be in my shop at some point. So I just cut them out, inked the edges, put some stickles around the flower, and then just put a little half back pearl. And then these right here are pops of color, and this one's the light pink. And then I made the bow, and then I put, this is a like a porcelain flower. I don't remember who I got it from. And then the dangle is on one of those tabs. Let me see if I can show you really quickly without disturbing whatever's wet on here. Okay, so this is the little dangle that I put on there, and no, you won't be able to see the tab, and I love that because it's on there anyway. And I don't know if you can see that hanging on at the bottom there. I just love that. I fell in love with that idea. So this is the tag that I made, and I think it turned out pretty cute. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you the tiny little haul that I had from my little crafty shop, guys. I hope you go visit her, and if you can, support her business, and I'm sure she will appreciate it. Her name is Lisa. And I don't know Lisa, but Lisa, good luck if you happen to watch this. I hope everything goes great, and I will visit your shop again at some point. All right, guys, I'm going to leave her link in the description box in case you guys really want to go check her out and see what she has to offer. Okay, guys, well, thanks a lot for watching. I will talk to you another day. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.